Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Just, if y'all didn't get the gist of how I feel about y'all, I wrote y'all a poem. So here we go. Y'all ready? Roses are red, violets are blue. You subscribe to me and you return to my video too. It means so much to me, you don't even know. So go ahead and smash that like button and don't be a I really hope they are taking care of those wildfires in California with hoses. Don't be a hose because they need them in California. So prayers go up for California. But anyways, today we're gonna be getting into yet another wig. This wig is from Amazon. Again, guys, you know I keep y'all strapped. You want it? I got it. I'm here for it. You feel me? So let's jump right into this video about this 10-inch wig from Amazon. Okay guys, this is how the packaging came. It wasn't anything too extraordinary. It just came in a clear bag with a net around it and some packaging on the inside of the wig, as you guys can see here. I'm definitely not gonna lie to you guys, when I saw this wig, I was really hesitant, especially with how it looked on the wig head. As you can see, the curls don't really look like curls at first. It kind of gives you this wavy texture until you get to like the middle back of it, but even then the curls were kind of squished and I really didn't know how the wig was gonna react. I'm showing you guys how long the hair is. It's true to length, and I'm just zooming in on the knots for you guys so you guys can see that this wig line definitely needed some plucking to be done, and I'm going to show you guys that later in this video. So my initial thoughts about this wig were definitely hesitant, but overall it ended up being super cute. So before anything, I went in and bleached the knots. I actually didn't feel like doing too much makeup this time. I wanted it to look as natural as possible with this curling process. So I just used some 40 volume developer along with some cream lightener to make a mixture that's not too thick so it doesn't seep through the lace and over bleach the hair. So this is my most exciting part for you guys. This is actually me showing you guys how I pluck, because I really don't show y'all too much, but I leave the hair wet and put conditioner on it just so I can have more of effect at plucking the actual hairs, because when you pluck it dry, not as much hair comes out and you really want the most natural look. So doing this process by leaving the conditioner on it allows the hair to clump and for you to get the maximum results from your plucking. So if you guys have been plucking your wigs or frontals or whatever and just haven't seen the results that you see like maybe professionals do, this process will definitely help in thinning out that hairline. So this is how much hair I plucked out. Like I said, it's a lot of hair, but it's totally worth it. And this is how the hairline looked. As you guys can see, I did over bleach some of that hair, but actually I never went back to go fix it because I never really noticed once the wig was on my head. But I did love how this came out. I'm just showing you guys the inside and structure of the wig. Nothing was really cheap about it, and this is how the wig turned out. All of those knots didn't take to the bleach, but some of them definitely did. I didn't go around and bleach it a second time just because I wasn't in the mood. So after this, I just ended up using some powder. I put it along my wig cap, and as you guys are gonna see, I actually also put it in my wig, and this really helped with the rest of those knots and to get this scalp-like look so you guys didn't see those polka dots. So I've been trying to change up my routine lately, so I used Got to Be Glued and this bed head to apply the wig this time. I just really didn't feel like using glue, and I kind of wanted to reverse back in the situation and see if I could still do this like old times, and it turns out that I could. The styling process and the rest of the application of this wig was pretty easy, so I'm gonna let you guys watch. And I thought this was the perfect time to give you guys the specs on this wig. So my wig is 10 inches, and this is the glueless human hair short bob curly lace front wigs with baby hair natural colors, etc, etc. As I showed you guys before, I didn't really see any baby hairs on this wig, but they might have been there. Either way, I plucked them all out and made my own in the end. The price for this wig is $73.99, and overall it has 244 ratings. This wig does come in 130, 180, and also 150. The 130 density is the default. You guys do have to ask before you order, and they also have it in the 1B and number 1 color. The cap size that I have on is a medium with a circumference of 22 inches. But they also have a smaller and a larger. Like I said, you do have to request that before you order, and the default lace color is medium brown. On their page, it does not say if they have any other laces, but you could ask before you buy as well. This wig is Amazon Prime, so it does ship in 2 days. And also, customer images on this wig look pretty legit and don't look questionable. So you guys can definitely read those and refer to those if you want more information that I didn't provide for y'all in this video. But if you guys have made it this far in this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and be sure that you hit that subscribe button below. I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video and come back to y'all in the end. Okay guys, this is the final look. I love this. Honestly, I really thought I really wasn't going to be able to pull this off, but I did it. I really did it. So all I used were those 2 products, and I can say the hair is a little bit crunchy, but it's not like super crunch, and you are getting that wet look because they do have like a reflection off of them because of the gel. I thought that was really amazing, and I just wanted to show you guys that. If I have to, I would give this wig a 10 out of 10. I'm really upset that the knots didn't take, but makeup ended up fixing it anyways. The lace on this wig was a little bit hard to match with my skin, but that's it for this video, you guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up on your way out. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed and hit those big red letters below. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as watchers in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.